Faith is the reality of what you want, it's the proof of the invisible. What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today we are going to review the recently released Korean movie Alive. So goes a delightful verse that urges us to survive during this time. And I hope the movie is not about only the zombie, but the Netflix has brought this movie at the very right time, at the right place, for the right audience. And especially the movie is all about not about the zombies, but more about your eagerness to survive in the world when you see chaos around you. So the story revolves around a streamer, like a YouTuber, or I don't know, it's a online streamer, and the boy finds one morning the situation is totally changed. There are zombies around his home, and he has to stuck up or kept himself in his apartment. So around his area, every house is now haunted by the zombies. They are destroying each other, they are finishing each other. Now there are some survivors in this area. Unfortunately, he doesn't know who is surviving and who is not. But he kept on streaming and showing to his people or his subscribers that the world around him is like this. There comes a certain point that he feels like he should end up his life, because maybe after a few minutes or anyone could come and uh, have a bite of his flesh and he will turn into zombie. So for this 38 minutes or like 40 minutes, there is no another character, like only the male lead character is there. Suddenly he wanted to end up his life, and there comes the female protagonist. She saves him. Did she save herself or did she save him? You will find it in the movie, because in this desperate times you need to make desperate choices. You have to survive against all odds. She is doing at her level best, and she is making him uh, realize that it's all in fighting, not in giving up. It's all you're eager to survive. That's why the quote that I said it at the beginning is from there. So now they are both trying to share meals, and how they share meals from one apartment to another. This is a good thing to watch, and you will love it. That how the boy used the technology, and it is a very beautiful thing. And now they are trying to communicate with each other, and they are sharing meal away from each other. They have no connections with the outer world. Will they be able to survive? How far the help will come? Will they be able to survive? Who will come to save them? So there is no signals or no connection that they can find any answer. What happens suddenly while they are communicating with each other? Somebody listens her whisper, and she is in danger of losing her life. Will she survive? The one who is saving the male lead character, and especially this female character, she has been working in this industry for the past 2 decades, or maybe 17 or 18, 17, almost 17 years. And this movie, I relate, like she's very good at social causes, and she has been doing a lot of work to uplift people and helping them. She is good at social work. So this in this movie also she is trying her level best to uplift the male lead character, or giving him a hope. Many times it happens that they are very closer to life and death, but somehow they make a way and they save each other. But in the end, they are very closer to death. But see what happens. It will be very good movie to watch it. And honestly, it is not a movie about zombie. It is most about the current situation and the survival. So thank you so much for being with me. I hope you will like this movie. I don't want to really reveal more synopsis, and so stay happy and enjoy this movie. And it's good for you to have some positive vibes from this movie. So thank you so much, and support each other and keep smiling during this time. Bye bye.